Hey YouTube. Decided to replace the hose from the main pump on the caravan heater, diesel heater, with a rigid pump, a rigid hose, because these may suck over time. I didn't realise until I talked to someone about it that this part here can suck in because of the over time, and so you need to do that, and that's why it's supplied with the clear type stuff. I've used black here. I've actually used it here as well. You probably don't need it to the filter, but I've just done it. And you need around about 15 amps. So if you get an error 8 on your display, it is telling you that you aren't getting enough power to the system to heat the ignition spark and keep it heated. It usually takes around about 10 amps at least, 10 amps for about 15 minutes to get that going. So yeah, if you're having a problem with error 8, I suggest you rerun your wires. If you've earthed it out to say somewhere like here, run them all the way to the batteries. If that doesn't work, you might need bigger batteries to do the job, or you may need another solar panel to go on the roof. But at the moment I'm thinking that I might need bigger batteries in the long run, but at the moment it's not going to happen because I haven't got the money at the moment. Now if you want anything on GearBest, the GearBest site, I'm an affiliate. I'm happy to provide links to get discounts and things, and it'll go towards this channel to increase and improve the actual footage of the videos and stuff. Anyway, that's it from me for today. Beautiful day here in Australia. It's you look out there, just sunny, perfect day. Got the flag flying next door. Yeah, beautiful day. Anyway, that's it from me, and hope you're all having a great week. See you later. So this has a error 8 problem. Might be your batteries. You've got to also, there's a button here which you need to press for settings, and when you set up, I'll show it to you in a minute, there's a password of 1688. So you need to set that password in to get into the setup after it. It seems to be holding the voltage. Pretty happy with that. Taking a little while. As you saw before, I replaced the main hoses with rigid hoses so it doesn't suck in. Oh, it's pulling it now. See, this system for your diesel heater usually uses around about near 10 amps, 9 or 10 amps to light the ignition switch for the heater. I'll just check the heat. Yep, the heater's heating up nicely. It's holding that 13 volts, pretty good. This is middle of the day, so at night time you might need when you're looking at batteries in the caravan, you've got to look at how many amp hours you got. So on a standard caravan, you should have at least 120 amp hour battery, maybe 130 if you can get hold of them. Lithium ion, well, you could get them, but they could start fires as well. But if you've got a good battery management system on the lithium ion, they shouldn't, but they are very expensive at the moment. Tell you what, I'll be taking my top off, I think. It's really getting hot in here. It's spring and I'm testing the heater. Nuts. Quickly go outside and check smoke. So at the moment I've got this set up as at the highest you can get it. Now, if you own a caravan and you're running this system, make sure that if you're running it at 20 degrees in your caravan, don't put it at that all the time, or else you're going to stuff your igniter. So you need to run it at the highest temperature at certain times to clear out the carbon on that igniter, otherwise you'll be pulling apart the system. And I'll just pause here and have a quick look at. There's a fair bit of smoke still coming from the system, which I still don't understand why it's doing that, but I need to burn that off. A lot of smoke. I shouldn't be pushing out that much yet, but this is probably the third time I've turned it on. If anyone knows how to get rid of this smoke, the bottle's full. It's on the front there. I've made up a purpose-built system to hold that bottle. It holds it up. I don't push it right up against the frame just in case it rubs, but it's all set up there, nice and neat to run. I do not know why I'm getting so much smoke, but I know I'm getting a lot of smoke. A lot of smoke at the moment. Too much smoke. The heat is very hot in here at the moment. I'm wondering whether I can drop the temperature down yet, but it's still running fine. Go through the OK system and see what so it's running at 35 degrees, it's 27 it's saying outside, but it's not. So it's about 13.3, 13.4. Now to get in the main menu, just in case you've got it on 24 volts, you press this button and you hold it there, and then you press this one here and you can just adjust. That actually changes the thing. So first one, no, stuffed up. So first one would have been a 1. So I've stuffed up big time here, so that should be a 6. The next one should be an 8. Another 8. And then a 1. And that should let you into the main menus. I don't said before, it's a 6. An 8. An 8. And now you're inside the main menu. Now I don't know what the P 1.6 frequency is. I don't know whether you should change it. I don't think you would need to, so jump across to the next one. And then there's, it doesn't show it, but there's 13 point error 0 errors. Right. And it's still going. I don't know if we can bring the temperature down now, at least to about 30 degrees, 29 degrees, 27 degrees. And then we'll go out and have a check of the smoke. If the smoke's still there, then that'll be it for this one. We'll have to work on it. Yeah, the smoke's back again. It's not looking too good. A lot of smoke. And that's it for this one. We'll keep working on it and I'll get back to you. But if you get that error 8, it's your battery. It's error 6, it's your fan. Okay, catch ya.